Welcome to Quiz Cracker, the ultimate source of knowledge. Join us on this exhilarating ride, where curiosity meets enlightenment, and facts come to life. What harmful chemicals are often found in conventional cleaning products? A. Parabens. B. Phthalates. C. Ammonia. Correct answer. C. Ammonia. What potentially harmful ingredient is commonly found in non-stick cookware? A. Lead. B. PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid. C. BPA, bisphenol A. Correct answer. B. PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid. Which harmful chemical is often found in conventional cosmetics and skincare products? A. Sulfates. B. Parabens. C. Titanium dioxide. Correct answer. B. Parabens. Which chemical is commonly used in plastic food storage containers and poses health risks? A. BPA. B. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. C. Phthalates. Correct answer. A. BPA. Which potentially harmful chemical is often present in conventional mattresses and bedding? A. Formaldehyde. B. Polyurethane. C. Toluene. Correct answer. A. Formaldehyde. Which chemical is commonly found in conventional insect repellents? A. DEET. B. Citronella. C. Lemongrass oil. Correct answer. A. DEET. Which chemical is commonly used in conventional oven cleaners? A. Chlorine bleach. B. Sodium hydroxide. C. Ammonia. Correct answer. C. Ammonia. Which harmful chemical is often present in conventional sunscreen formulations? A. Zinc oxide. B. Oxybenzone. C. Titanium dioxide. Correct answer. B. Oxybenzone. Which chemical is commonly used in conventional weed killers? A. Glyphosate. B. Vinegar. C. Salt. Correct answer. A. Glyphosate. Which potentially harmful chemical is often present in conventional baby products? A. Sodium lauryl sulfate. B. Fragrance. C. Lanolin. Correct answer. B. Fragrance. B. Fragrance. What harmful chemical is commonly found in conventional dishwashing detergents? A. Sodium lauryl sulfate. B. Phosphates. C. Triclosan. Correct answer. C. Which potentially harmful chemical is often present in conventional shaving creams? A. Parabens. B. Alcohol. C. Lanolin. Correct answer. A. Parabens. Which chemical is commonly used in conventional carpet cleaners? A. Ammonium hydroxide. B. Butyl chelosol. C. Perchloroethylene. Correct answer. C. Perchloroethylene. Which harmful chemical is often found in conventional nail polish and removers? A. Formaldehyde. B. Toluene. C. Camphor. Correct answer. B. Toluene. Which chemical is commonly used in conventional fabric softeners? A. Dioxane. B. Quaternary ammonium compounds. C. Ethanolamines. Correct answer. B. Quaternary ammonium compounds.
New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quiz Cracker presentation.